What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking the Rowdyssey to a car show. This is a really last minute thing. Registration for this show was already closed a little bit ago, but we were able to get it registered through like a late registration form. And this morning I went and got some new tires put on the front because if you guys remember when we were in Florida, we got some free tires just to throw on there just so we could drive it around without having to put the slicks on there, and they were like way too small. So now we got some new tires on the front, so they are proportionate to the tires on the back. They don't look all tiny on the front anymore. But the minivan's all ready to go. We got it cleaned up a little bit, but we really didn't have that much time. It still has the same transmission that we threw in there because I spent a lot more time editing that last video that you guys saw than I thought I was going to. That was a really long video, a lot of content to go through. So didn't have much time to work on the van. We're just gonna take it how it is. Jeremy has his car ready. He's gonna be coming as well. He's not gonna be in the actual show, but we did actually get a spot for the minivan. And it's a pretty legit car show, so it should be fun. I'm gonna be picking up Wyatt on the way, but like I said, we don't have much time, so we're gonna be heading out right now. We're running a little late. Oh man, have I missed this thing. He is loving that thing. I know you guys are probably wanting me to race Jeremy right now in the minivan, but unfortunately it's still on the Florida tune, and I need to go back over to PFI and get Brent's laptop and re-upload the tune that was put on it when we dynoed it up here, because right now the tune's pretty off and it's probably not safe to get into full boost. So I just gotta cruise her around. What up, fool? You ready? We're kind of late.
Not touching them. Get that on video. I ain't touching them. Go look at the gap. How much fucking room they have.
Was that your neighbor? Was that your neighbor?
Fuck it is.
Hello?
Idiots.
Oh, there's some stuff on this side. Just hop over. What's up, Josh?
What up?
Ready to go?
What's up, baby?
Dude, we're so late. Alright, we'll crack some VTEC on the way. Minivan's doing good so far. We had to stop for some E85. Jeremy's still mobbing, no hood. Those little pools were pretty good. You're starting to get it down. You're starting to move.
Air fuels this time for sure.
Yeah.
I wanted to see how they were.
You know, she looked good going by. Too bad we can't race because I'm still on that Florida tune.
Yeah, you gotta give it a bet. You can cap that ass.
And on the way here, we blew off the blow-off valve line, so handyman Wyatt got a zip tie on there for us.
Got a little coolant overflow.
Oh yeah, no, that's always been like that.
Oh, okay.
It's just always full.
Dude,
yeah, I need to get a legit one. Is it still going?
Yep, still going, bro.
Damn. That eBay turbo life. Look at this. The manifold and all this stuff looks so nasty because it was just sitting.
Right.
It got so wet too.
Yeah.
And I just didn't drive it. I just didn't drive it for months.
I pulled my car home and it was raining. I got all kinds of water all over it, dude. I pulled the entire manifold off and like freaking Scotch-Brighted it and polished it all up again. Because it like had tiny little things of rust on it.
We need to burn all that rust off.
Right. Alright, we good, baby.
Yeah, we go. We gotta go, dude. Yeah. We're late.
Only $7.
We're late. Only $7?
I gotta get used to this.
Mine cost $12 for 6 gallons. What?
I don't want to go buy a Mountain Dew just because I don't want to pay $8.
Mountain Dew? Yeah, I'm gonna get some food just real quick.
Skeet, Mr. Cletus.
Get some Bartle Skeets.
Bartle Skeetage.
Gonna give me a bottled Bartle Skeet because we don't have cup holders. Yeah, bro, I got some pizza. I didn't know the gas station had pizza. It looks dang.
I might have to get some.
It's pretty good. I'll take this over the Doritos any day.
I got a mule bar.
It's only like $1 something a slice.
Is it?
Yeah.
$1 something a slice.
Alright, so the minivan made it to the car show. Unfortunately, we did not get a spot inside. I thought we were going to be able to be in this building right here. That's where everyone's at. There's a lot of really nice cars in there. They have like a band in there, like all kinds of crazy stuff. We are outside though. We're still like in the actual show area. They will be judging stuff as well. Obviously, I don't expect much from that. But yeah, I think we're gonna head inside here pretty soon, check out the cars. Jesse is here with his single cam. That was the one that Brent tuned last weekend. And yeah, we'll just hang out. We're over here with Emilio and everybody else. Jeremy's Civic is right over here on the other side of the gate.
I'm so hurt we didn't get the minivan inside. Holy crap. Look how clean that is.
Got Jesse's car over here. She cleans up so nice. Look at this thing. So we got here early because our car's actually like in the show. This is part of the show out here. We just went inside. There's a whole bunch of really nice cars, but this is the line so far, and there's still like a half hour left before it even opens. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people here.
That's the guy I raced this morning.
Who?
Sure, bro.
You raced that dude?
With my truck and trailer in the car. He was in a Civic, bro.
Civic?
Dude, I'm not even shitting you. That's the guy I get.
Dude, look at this line just to get in.
There's a line to get through the bushes.
There's literally a line just to get through the bushes right here. Dude, there's so many people.
That's fucking
How do you
dope.
get custom
Look at the mirrors
like
on the inside of the hood. Dude, that's sick.
Yeah, this thing's twin engine, brother.
How you like this line? Dude, it's literally a mile.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're already ready to go.
What time did you guys leave?
Like 3-ish. We got here 4. So we're a little late, but
Earlier than me.
yeah, we had to get here to get the van like in the little parking zone over there. It's not in the building though, but it's right over here outside.
Hey!
What's up? We couldn't get the van inside.
You didn't?
But we're like in the show, but on the outside part.
Oh, nice.
That's the one you tuned, right?
Yeah. This is the badass motherfucking RSX. The band. You get 30.
Yeah,
You give us a deal for 2? A deal for 2?
I can't really discount them anymore.
No.
That's pretty discount, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I need a new wallet. That's all.
There you go. Yeah.
Can you trade that other wallet in?
Yeah, that one in. You said as a down payment.
A down payment?
Yeah.
That's cool. He'll give you 10 cents off.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Sweet, man.
So we've been here for an hour and the line just keeps getting longer. I feel really sorry if whoever has to wait in that. Longest line I've ever seen.
This is like so real. This is so real.
You want to be in it, bro?
So real. What's up, YouTube? So sick. What's up, everybody? What's up?
I mean, the van's getting some attention even though we're in the back. It's nice and warm in here though.
This poor guy.
Oh. What's up, Roman? What's up, what's up? It's been a minute. Yeah, it has.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
see me breakdancing out there. I know your fans always talk shit about the big Mexican, but I'm just kidding. That was cock dropping? Okay. Hey man, big shout out, good turnout here at 104 Nights. You know, Kyle hit me up. Really? Bro, I wanted it in here by the stage. That minivan has the most respect in Colorado as far as tuner go. That shit went out there. It beat that joint. Hey, good stuff. I'm very proud of my boy Kyle, man. Big shout out to this guy. You know, we got you guys 100%, whatever we can do. You hit me up at 2 in the morning, 3, and I will do whatever I can to help you out, man, alright? Hey, I don't think they know you run all the big car meets out here. Yeah. That's something they don't know. So, go check out our Facebook page. It's 1320. There's the Colorado chapter. It's loud. We're at 104 Nights. But yeah, check us out so you guys know what it is. We do host I'm going to say, one of the biggest car meets here in Colorado. And that's where I met this cool ass dude and the badass minivan. Go check out his video at the first time. That's where it all started. That's where it all started. Guys, we'll be in Las Vegas, New Mexico, Arizona pretty soon, doing our thing. Much love to you guys. Stay up, Boostedboiz, PFI. Big shout out to PFI as well. Boostedboiz, right?
Yeah, that shit was loud as shit. Nasty.
Dude, that first pop though, yeah.
I was like, oh.
Yeah, she popped.
Shocked a lot of people.
Got my kids ready for school.
You guys ready to go to soccer practice? You didn't ready to go to soccer practice? Yes?
You told me you had the van, so I had to bring the kids, bro.
They want to stay in there.
Yeah. Kyle told me you brought the van.
You know there's a big back seat, huh?
Why are they always waiting for us to two-step, bro? Everybody's just waiting for us to two-step. Look, there's still a line out here, bro. Alright, I'll do it again.
You gotta put your face on it. You gotta commit. He's in a shake coma.
Shakoma.
Oh, sleeping. I got chocolate in my eye.
So we made it back from the car show yesterday in the minivan. She is still running strong. I really miss driving this thing. I pretty much haven't driven it at all since we got back from Florida. It's just been sitting, but I really do want to start doing some more work on the van again. We need to get that LSD thrown in there. We also need to re-upload the tune that was put on it up here at elevation because it's still on the Florida tune. But yeah, we had a good time. It was a little cold out, so kind of sucked that we couldn't get the minivan inside the actual car show. We were too late on registration to get it in the main building, but you know, that's my fault. I didn't even know about the show. It was a really last minute thing. But we had a good time. It does kind of suck for all those people that were waiting in that line. I guess they reached max capacity for people like going into the building, and a lot of them had to end up just leaving after waiting like over 2 hours in line because they weren't you know, handing out any more tickets. They said we can't sell anymore. So that kind of sucks for those people. But overall, we had a good time. Met a lot of subscribers out there as well. Always good to see you guys. Jeremy did have to leave early as well. He had some stuff going on, so he wasn't with us for most of the time. But the car show was fun. I'm honestly much more excited when I go to events that have actual racing going on. that's where I'd rather be. But it's fun to go to a car show every now and then. We did also get some stuff for the minivan that you guys sent to us as well, some stickers and stuff that we're gonna throw on the back. I was gonna do it, you know, before we went to the show, but we were in just such a rush that I didn't bother with it. So when we go to throw the transmission in here, I'll probably slap some of those stickers on that you guys sent us, and I'll show some more of that. But it was a good day. Pretty much just showing what we did throughout the day, you know, just kind of hanging out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video either way, and as always, thanks for watching.